Okay, so today we were doing slime with our daughter, and we were told to mix shampoo and baking soda. So we did that, and this is the result of it. As in, we tried it, we mixed it. Maybe there's too much baking soda. Not enough soap.
Shampoo.
Not enough shampoo. But you gonna mix it, baby. So this, what's happening here?
It actually is trying.
Is it?
It's set. I don't know. Look, see? Or is
Maybe
it
that's just the
bottle?
baking soda.
It's probably just the baking soda, but it's still.
Yeah, I think what you're mixing is just the baking soda. But failed attempt, it does not work. They said the measurements didn't specify. We did exactly what they did. It does not work, guys. Does not work. It is a big, epic fail. Thank you for real or fake.